In this station, you'll be solving number stories. So first, you will read the number story to yourself. So for this number story, it says, Rose had 150 crayons. She gave 24 to Sophie, 25 to Sharon, and 22 to Jonas. And she donated 12 to her class. Donated means she gave away. Then it says, how many does she have left for herself? So then I have to figure out if I'm adding or subtracting by using the key words in this number story. Then without solving, I will use estimation. So I will take these numbers and estimate how many crayons I think she has. And then I will find the exact number of crayons she has left. The exact number using the exact numbers in the number story. And then I will explain how I solved the problem with words.